Hey guys, so I'm going to show you another method that you can use to correct your students' worksheets using WhatsApp. Alright, so first you open WhatsApp, click on the student, download the worksheet, ensure that his name and the date is on the worksheet, and now you're coming out of WhatsApp. Alright, you're going back out. Here now you are going to open Gallery. Alright. You scroll down and you look for the folder that says WhatsApp images. You see the folder, click on it. Lovely. So now you're going to click this pen tool here. All right, click on the pen tool. And you're going to look for this little paintbrush looking icon. You hit draw. And there is a pen tool here that you can adjust the thickness of the point. You can adjust the different types of point that you want as well, and you also have the different colors that you can choose from this bar right here. So the first I'm gonna use this one. All right, so I would proceed to I wanted it to be red. Okay, so I'm gonna use, just correct the worksheet. All right, and you have an eraser here. You can erase, or you can hit undo if you don't like, if you made a mistake. All right, now I'm going to show you some ways that you can adjust the font of the writing. So you can come on this little T here. It says text, so you're clicking on the text, and you can type something. I'm going to just type excellent. Alright, and I'm going to add a little emoji as well. I love sending emojis to children. Alright, so here now we have a variety of options. I can choose different types of font. If I want a slim font, I can choose, well, the default is there, a shadow in my font. I can also choose neat. There's one with also a gradient. This one is beautiful. You can choose different types of gradients along this bar here. Whichever one you like, you choose, and I can also select from a wider range here. All right, now you can also click, if you want a background on your text, you can click on this little T here, and you can also click if you want the opacity to change or the transparency of the background to change. All right, you can leave it plain like this. All right, if you, of course, you have this icon here that you can justify. You can, if you want the writing to the left or to the right, I usually have it in the center. All right, so now we come back out. Okay, we can another thing I forgot to mention, that we can also change the location. This font, you can move it around to wherever you feel comfortable with. All right, so, and you can also adjust the fonts by, if you look carefully at the corners, you'll see some little white nodes. You can adjust the font to however you would like it to be, if you want it tiny, if you want it large, or whatnot. So excellent. All right, and then you're going to finally hit save at the top right hand corner of your screen. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is share, and you find back the student, Chris. All right, and you're going to forward this worksheet to him using this icon. Lovely. All right, so I do hope that this method was an enjoyable one, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.